In this video, I'm going to share with you the technique that I use when knocking on doors. Coming up next. Hey guys, I'm Doug Massey, and the technique that I use to door knock leads is really pretty simple. A couple of things I'm going to suggest, first of all, is when you go up to the door, don't go there with much in your hand. All that I have is a stack of leads and my medical questionnaire at the back. And if you'd like a copy of that medical questionnaire, stick around at the end of the video and I'll show you how to get that. So what I do is I use the chopsticks knock, tot, 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 and I step back about 3 to 5 steps, and when they open the door, I refer to the prospect as their first name. Hello, Gene. Hey, my office sent me here to get you some information you requested. You filled out one of these little cards a couple of weeks ago. Now, what I do is I start walking forward, and then I say, have you got a couple of minutes? So the idea is to get them to go naturally, okay. So while I'm doing that, I've got the body language, the head shaking, and the feet moving like, I'm coming in, we're just gonna talk. Sometimes they'll be like, whoa, what's this about? And that's when I say, well, the card you filled out. It says right here about the 2017 benefit plans for Florida residents. It just takes me about 5 minutes to go over with you, Gene. You think we could sit down somewheres? And that's basically what I do. So sometimes they'll give you a hard objection. When they do that, well, you're gonna have to stick around for the next video to see how I overcome that. If you're interested in getting a copy of the medical questionnaire that I use in the field, go ahead and shoot me an email. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. We're going to be putting out new videos every single week.